I don't know. She said there's a metal sleeve on this thing. I need to twist, and now I can see that. Yeah, there's this metal piece that I'm supposed to twist and turn. And you can see it's turning. Oops. It's turning. See? This metal brass sleeve is turning. Oh boy, I think golly, I hope I didn't break this guy below. Anyway, there's this metal piece sleeve here that I'm supposed to turn and grab it. Some finesse, and I was able to remove the metal sleeve that was stuck in this male connector. It fits better. It can go in, but it would not go all the way in. And it got stuck here. I don't think this is supposed to be like this. I think the field connector is supposed to hook all the way in, and tight. But this thing just won't go all the way in. I don't know why. See, eject this thing out.